Welcome back to the Ballistic Machinist channel. With all this stuff on the news about the coronavirus and being a pandemic and all this stuff, I've been paying attention to it and taking it very serious, and I have come up with a solution for all of your sanitizing needs to make sure that you don't contract this virus. What I've come up with, I call it the Sanitizer. It's a shotgun shell full of hand sanitizer. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. So instead of using a disinfectant spray that just sprays a mist, and if the wind's blowing, it doesn't go anywhere near where you need it, we can use the Sanitizer round in a normal shotgun. Load it up just like so, and then we can blast where we want to be sanitized. And there you go. You got all the sanitizer you need. And you can see you've got plenty of sanitizer all over your object. And then it's safe to touch because it's been disinfected. So some other good uses for the Sanitizer round is sanitizing cell phones or kid toys or one of the nastiest things in your house, a kitchen sponge. So let's go ahead and sanitize those. It's just that easy, folks. So, we got plenty of sanitizer on our phone, so it's nice and clean now. Our little Mustang is nice and clean, except for a little bit of gunpowder residue there, but that's fine. That never hurt nobody. It's not as bad as Corona. And the sponge, well, that's just still gross. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Stay safe. And try not to get the coronavirus.